Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Bbq Daddy is probably one of the most revolutionary grilling accessories to hit the market, promising to transform your post-barbecue cleanup from a dreaded chore into a surprisingly quick and effortless task, ensuring your grill grates are pristine and ready for your next culinary masterpiece without the usual scrubbing and scraping hassle. Number 5. Alpha Grillers Meet Thermometer Digital. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds with its advanced probe technology. It comes pre-calibrated for immediate use, ensuring perfect results every time. This versatile tool is perfect for all your culinary needs, from grilling and baking to deep frying and candy making. Use it confidently in your kitchen, on the grill, or outdoors. Its large dial and bright blue backlight ensure you can easily read temperatures in any lighting condition. Whether day or night, you'll always get a clear view. Designed for durability, it boasts an IP67 water-resistant rating. You can easily wash and clean it under running water after every use. Presented in an elegant box, it makes an ideal gift for any cooking enthusiast. Surprise your loved ones with this essential kitchen tool. What we like. This device offers lightning-fast temperature readings, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked every time. Its versatile design means you can use it for grilling, baking, or even candy making with ease. If you're a home chef who values precision and convenience across all your culinary adventures, this is an essential tool for your kitchen. What people say. Number 4. Scrubbin Daddy Caddy Sponge Holder. Meet the perfect solution for your kitchen sink. This smart caddy is designed to neatly hold your favorite happy face sponge or scrubber, keeping your cleaning tools organized and accessible. It features dual suction cups that quickly adhere to most clean, smooth surfaces. These ensure it stays firmly in place without rotation or slipping, whether in your kitchen or bathroom. Its open-air design actively promotes better self-draining and drying. This helps eliminate odors, leading to a cleaner sponge and a fresher sink area. With a sleek, low-profile design, it keeps your sponge out of the way yet always within arm's reach. It's perfect for daily dishwashing or any scrubbing task. Cleaning this caddy is incredibly simple. Just pop it off your sink and place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a quick and thorough clean. What we like. This clever caddy keeps your cleaning tools organized and hygienic right in your sink. Its dual suction cups provide a secure hold, preventing slips and promoting quick drying for your sponge. If you're looking to declutter your sink area and maintain a cleaner, odor-free sponge, this minimalist solution is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Better Grill Scrubbin Stone Grill Cleaner. This innovative cleaner prevents the spread of harmful dirt. It won't absorb liquids or steam, and it's made from heat-treated glass. This makes it an ecologically sound, green product, harmless to your health. It's better than a grill brush, offering fast and efficient cleaning for your barbecue grills, racks, and griddles. It works wonders on utensils made of steel or iron. You'll find it incredibly effective. Gently rub it on a warm or cool surface to clean. Afterwards, simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth. You can expect 2 uses for heavily dirty grills and 6 to 8 for maintenance cleaning. It's made of 100% glass, heated and treated in a method similar to volcanic pumice stone. This cleaning block wears down much like pumice, eliminating the need for messy wire brushes. It offers a cleaner, safer alternative. While some grill bricks can scratch, this scrubbing stone block is extremely lightweight. Despite its lightness, it's strong enough to be used as an abrasive. Like pumice stone, it gets the job done without excessive effort. What we like. This unique cleaning block offers an eco-friendly and highly effective way to tackle tough grill grime. Made from heat-treated glass, it cleans without absorbing liquids or spreading harmful dirt. If you prioritize a powerful, safe, and environmentally conscious method for keeping your grill spotless, this brick is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 2. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. This brush is crafted from durable plastic and alloy, ensuring it's sturdy and long-lasting. Its non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, while the pliable bristles tackle tough messes with ease. Its narrow head effortlessly reaches into tight gaps and corners, making pesky chores much easier. It excels at clearing dust, debris, and dirt from those hard-to-reach areas. This versatile tool is perfect for countless tasks around your home. Use it on windowsills, grout lines, sinks, and even car interiors. It makes cleaning gaps of various objects comprehensive and easy, saving your hands from harsh scrubbing. This brush provides the leverage and durability needed for intense cleaning tasks. Designed with a small hole, its handle allows for easy hanging, saving valuable space. This compact gadget won't take up much room, perfect for any home or RV. What we like. This specialized brush is designed to conquer those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies in your home. Its narrow head and hard bristles effortlessly dislodge dirt and debris from tight gaps and corners. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn grime in small spaces and desire a truly deep clean, this tool will be your new best friend. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points for Bbq Daddy as the source was empty. Number 1. Apron Daddy, the Grillfather Barbecue Apron. Introducing the ultimate apron for the king of the grill. This stylish and functional accessory is designed for every man who loves to barbecue. Crafted specifically for men, it combines durability with a touch of humor. Show off your grilling prowess with confidence and style. No more worrying about sizing. This extra-large design ensures a comfortable fit for everyone, providing ample coverage while you cook. Made from a high-quality poly-cotton blend, it's built to withstand the heat and spills of any grilling session. It's easy to clean and maintain, ready for your next culinary adventure. Keep your essential tools close at hand with its 2 practical pockets. Perfect for holding tongs, thermometers, or your phone while you grill. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an excellent present for any cooking dad or husband in your life. Surprise them with a gift they'll truly appreciate and use. What we like. This stylish apron provides excellent protection and a touch of personality for any grilling enthusiast. Its extra-large size ensures a comfortable fit for everyone, while the durable poly-cotton blend handles all your barbecue adventures. If you're looking for a practical yet fun gift for the grill master in your life, this one offers both flair and functionality. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.